Everybody knows at some point in our lives we may find ourselves in a romantic relationship that makes us unhappy. And sometimes we choose to stick it out. Why persist in a joyless romance when you can simply break up? We're going to share a few reasons from this article in Psychology Today that speaks to that. PsychologyToday.com is a source. And the first reason is?
Agony, ecstasy. It says relationships are not always equal in what they give and what they cost. A relationship that is very painful in many ways may have moments of exquisite joy that can keep a person willing to pay the price for the more frequent heartbreaks and give up those experiences. Yeah.
So the highs are so high.
Yeah.
But you stick out the lows.
You stick out the lows. The highs are high, but they're rare. And so you're holding on to this high, and it's so bad, it's so bad, it's so bad. And you say, but sometimes it's so beautiful. But I think you have to just wait. You have to wait the percentage and see what works.
Yep. This is the best I can hope for is the second one. Many people who live in emotional prison stay because they've convinced themselves they're not worth more than what they have. It's called settling, ladies and gentlemen. Or that no one better will ever come along. This is an issue of self-love, eh? They may have had prior relationships that have even been worse and cannot seem to attract a partner who treats them with care and respect. They've come from childhoods where they probably were never exposed to a quality relationship, or they've been told by friends and family that the kind of relationship that they're in is the best they can get. So go and stick it out, man, cause maybe nothing better now come.
Yeah.
But if you're in a bad situation, hoping that better will come, how does better come if you don't get yourself out of the situation that you're in, right? So you have to free up yourself so better will come along in your life.
Familiarity, this says you're comfortable. That sense of feeling comfortable may include the pain that came with it. When people marry young or without a lot of experience, they're often attracted to a person who embodies a combination of the characteristics of those who raised them. They have not yet separated out who they are from who they were when they were young. And so, this is what is familiar to me, and this is what I think a relationship is. And so even though it's bad, I'm sticking with it because isn't this what a relationship is supposed to be? Hard work.
And there's just a thought of starting over, from this place where it's not great, but I'm comfortable, is a deterrent for them.
Yeah.
Protecting